So today I am doing a short hike from the High Island Reservoir here in Sai Kung, Hong Kong, and going to check out this place called Po Pin Chau, which is a beautiful rock formation around the area. And I'm doing this as a scouting trip because I've seen some nice landscape photos around the area and I wanted to check it out myself. It's my first time going here, so stick around and hope you enjoy this video. My Leng Loi friends.
Hey, where's the Leng Tai?
And Mark. So I am totally enjoying this place right now because there are so many great subjects and beautiful rock formations around the area, and it's also close to the coast, so there are some sea views that are very interesting to photograph. And I think I'm definitely going to come back here when there's better lighting. This place is amazing. So I absolutely loved the drone footage that I got and the shots that I took from the Po Pin Chau lookout point, and definitely going back here when there's better lighting, better cloud conditions, when the sky is a bit more colorful as well. So now we're going back down and maybe I can show you guys some of the highlights of the High Island Reservoir and why it's one of my favorite places here in Hong Kong. This is also the place where I shot my Milky Way shoot earlier this year in February, and that was an exciting one. So that was such an enjoyable shoot today. I really love the conditions. The sky is clear and you can see all the details of the landscape surrounding the area. I think I came away with some pretty epic drone footages and some landscape shots. So if you want to get started in photography, I suggest you watch this video and where I give some tips on how to get started. So see you there. Thanks for watching.